Right now I am here in the New Mal Junction, and you can see the very beautiful scenic beauty over here. And the thing is, the next part of our trip starts from Hasimara station.
15777 up, restart on special train for Alipurduar Junction. It's coming on platform number 1 very shortly. Thank you.
Just like slow rivers flow, slow. I'm sure I've seen you in my dreams. I'm feeling like in the first time we ever meet. You make the time fly slow, slow. Just like slow rivers flow, slow. I see the fire in your eyes.
From Hasimara station, we took a cab which would take us to our beautiful resort in Chilapata. A really beautiful resort which had a very nice location, and it was situated near the river Khajlani. Now it was the time for us to head towards the Buxa forest for the jungle safari. A bit adventurous this time, not by any jeep or by any elephant, this time by a boat. Sikhiya Jhora is the place where you would get the opportunity to do this boat safari. Now listen to the jungle. These are the trials made by the wild animals who come to quench their thirst from the river water. While we were about to get out of the forest, it was quite dark and we didn't see any animals. But luckily at the end, we saw these two giant beasts, the cute elephants.